Good morning, adventurers. We're up here in Gatlinburg, more specifically the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. Shelby, what are we doing up here?
We are going to hike Grotto Falls.
Yep, like she said, we're going to hike Grotto Falls. It's a waterfall that you can walk behind. You can see it again in our hike up to LeConte video. And yeah, you guys just come along with us as we take this hike.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. The hike to Grotto Falls is an out and back trail, and it is a total of 2.8 miles. We recommend arriving before 8 a.m. or going in the late afternoon, as parking spaces are limited at the trailhead. You must have a parking pass to park. We will put the link for information about the parking pass in the description below. Alright guys, we've come upon a stream crossing here in our first little waterfall, headed up to Grotto Falls. King Boo, are you ready to cross this?
Yes.
Yes? Alright. Alright adventurers, what about you guys? You guys ready to cross? Alright, let's go. Scatter made it across. Shelby made it across. That's all. Let's go ahead and move on up the trail. So you can see it's pretty highly trafficked by how it's worn down. Widened out in places back there. Sorry for all the huffing and puffing. It's a moderate climb.
Wallace,
Yes, sir.
I think we're a little high up.
What?
I think we're a little high up.
Yeah, a little over 500 feet in elevation gain on this trail. The squirrel on the back side of that tree, I don't know if we get to see. There he is. Sitting up there having breakfast this morning.
Yeah, you out with a chipmunk?
Maybe he'll share with us. We're at another water crossing here. Adventures. The cool air off of this cold mountain water feels so good right here. Started heating up coming up through here. Kind of hot and humid in here. Sticky. But yep, we're making our way on up the mountain, going up the trail. You guys ready to keep going?
Yes, we do.
Shelby's like, I don't know. I'm questioning life's decisions.
I know how pretty it is.
Oh, that is beautiful. If you want to see the llamas on this trail that takes food up to LeConte Lodge, go back and check out our LeConte Lodge, LeConte hike. It's pretty cool. They should be on the trail tomorrow, taking supplies up. I think it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that they do that. So yeah, let's get out here on the trail and check that out too. All right, let's go. We seen 5 bears yesterday evening at the parking lot for this trail. And we had every intention of doing this trail yesterday. It got late on us, we got sidetracked by watching the bears, and thunderstorm rolled in, so it put a stop to it yesterday. But we're back out here today, making it happen. You see, we're here at another water crossing. I think this makes number 4 for us. Alright, adventures onward and upward. Oh man, if you guys can see the leaves moving, there's a nice breeze coming down the mountain. And it does feel good. Birds are singing. Beautiful morning to be on trail. So the trail's moderate at times and then it gets strenuous at times. And kind of flattens out in places. Mix of terrain from steps to rocks to dirt to all in between. Up here in the sunlight. Beautiful sun peeking through. Starting to hear the water from the falls. We're getting so close. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the video. I'm standing here and try to be quiet. You guys hear that water?
Yeah.
That's our waterfall we're chasing. All right, adventurers, you getting excited? I know we are. I'll turn you around here where you can see the crew. Getting close. We'll hike alongside the water here until we get up to Grotto Falls. So what makes this waterfall really cool is you get to walk around in behind it. I've probably said that a million times up through here, but it's just exciting. You're talking about the mix of terrain. We have water running through the trail here from all the different streams that come through. It feels so good back in here. Oh, you okay? They're doing some rock scrambling here. I'm going to turn you around to me. So be surprised when we get up here. It's just ahead. Got a few people up here. Alright, adventurers, we're caught up. We're up here at Grotto Falls. We're going to turn you guys around so you can see it now. Thank you guys for coming along with us on this adventure. Here we go. How cool is that, guys?
Grotto Falls is 25 feet tall and the only waterfall in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park that you can walk behind.
You guys remember here with us. There's a lot under here. Some years. In our last video, we sit right here on these rocks. Maybe there's in front of us getting more light as we come back down. There's a lot more water coming across than there was the last time we were here. I think right here looks like a good place for me. Alright, yeah, we're going to sit here and eat a snack. Alright, adventurers. It's that time in the trip. It's middle way through. It's time to say goodbye, and it's tough saying goodbye to these places that you visit. But it's that time to hike back down toward the car.
Fun fact, a grotto is a small cave or shaded rocky area, and the mossy boulders and cool cove around the falls give it that magical grotto feeling.
One last time. Before we head back there. Supposed to progress down the mountain. The voices slowly fade away. The laughter. The sounds of the water gets farther away. And we take only memories with us as we go on these hikes. And we leave only footprints behind as we go. It's always fun to think about the generations of families that have hiked this trail over the years. Seen Grotto Falls, sit and had lunch or whatever meal. Just made memories. It's fun to slow down and get back to nature and enjoy what's been created for us and what's been preserved through the national park here. They made it back to home plate. Swing, batter, swing.
No. Is it talons? Yeah, are those just pinchers up front? Let them come.
Last water crushing and we're back to the car. Alright, adventures, here we go.
Wallace must have spotted something in the woods because there he goes with the camera.
There you go, adventurers. A bear on this hike. A mama with 3 cubs. Right there. How cool is that? All right, adventurers, we hope you guys had as much fun on this hike as we had on it. We hope you guys enjoyed those black bears. I know we enjoyed seeing them. All right, guys, what'd you think of this hike?
I thought it was really good. I enjoyed seeing the black bears a lot.
Yep, and the waterfall.
The whole thing, just it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Yep, so this is Grotto Falls off of the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. Thank you guys for coming along with us. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And until next adventure,
See ya.